Okay, it's shower time. And so, y'all, if you guys are anything like me, I don't like getting out of the shower when it's cold because I don't have a door right here, so it gets really cold. So I do. We have the Flyhit towel warmer, and let me show you what it's all about because I highly recommend it. Guys, this is it. This is it. This is okay. So it's already set. All right, you got these light indicators that will set the time for you as long as you want to have it on here. Okay, I have it on 2 hours, even though I'm gonna hop in the shower. I probably had it on for 15 minutes. And this is letting you know that the surface is hot inside. This is the button for these here, and this is the power button. So right now, guys, it takes up to 2 large towels, but I have a robe in here. And so, yeah, it gets super hot. Make sure you don't put wet towels in here. They have to be dry. And that's really it. And let me tell you, it has this compartment here where you can put air fresheners in there. So it can smell nice and fresh, right along with nice and warm. And also, let me show you something else. When you take it off and you take out the robe or the towel themselves, and then you put the lid back on, guys, it turns off automatically. So we're not burning down the house. I hope you like it. I do.